At Flint Hills Technical College, student success is our #1 priority. You'll learn in state-of-the-art labs that will give you hands-on, real-life experiences. And our low instructor-to-student ratio means you'll receive a personalized education from instructors who care about you and your future. FHTC offers dynamic, in-demand majors in the areas of arts, health, information technology, and industry technology. So no matter what you're interested in, you'll find a major that you're passionate about. Located in Emporia, Kansas, we're accredited by the Higher Learning Commission and have over 55 years of experience in technical education. Let FHTC help you reach your career goals. We engage. We transform. We are Wranglers. Find out more at fhtc.edu.